Hello everyone, welcome to Apps Explorer Hub channel. Now in this video, we are going to talk about how to add caption to media file in Camtasia. Now when I check, I have an audio file here and I want to display text between or on top of the audio file. So while the audio file is placed, I have the text being displayed on top of it. Now how do I do that? So let's assume first I have to grab in your file, and in here I have a simple audio file here and I can just play for it here. Okay, so I have this audio file that I want to actually use in this project. Okay, so what you can do actually is you can also grab in the file that you actually want to use in this project, and now you move on. So what you can actually do here is, now when you check here, that is the playhead. So you said it before, that's the initial for the audio. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add the caption. With this, you can just drag this up and down to the track that you want to, and after that you click on the more, then you go for caption. So click on caption, and now you click on add caption. So when you click on add caption, now each caption here has a time of 4 seconds. So you can actually type in whatever thing that you want to actually type here. So we have this. Let's actually put in hello. Let's say you are welcome. So you are welcome to. Then you can actually add another caption here. So when you press on this, you're going to add a caption. So press and then you have a new caption here. So you're welcome to, let's say, Apps Explorer Hub channel. Okay, so this is actually going to show within the time seconds of 4 seconds. Now you can actually add more. You press on the plus here to so add more. Now when you add, we can actually add it to get to the last part of the video. Now within each 4 seconds, it tells what you're supposed to do. Now if you want to increase the 4 seconds, that's why you have the duration here. And I can try to increase it up to 7 seconds per each. Then you can just go back to also 0 seconds. 1.6 seconds and so forth. So it depends on what you actually want to actually have, and that determines the number of time that you have to use. Alright, so let's see. So we put in hello. Now we have this hello, welcome to. Now this is, you have a channel and you have this. So actually you can actually put in here to where we teach you. Let's say where we exploit, so we can say that okay, so let's assume we have this here. Now you can actually add more. Click on this add caption or this, and you can add this. So you can just type in here, so subscribe for more videos. Okay, so actually you can still add more, one more. So as when you add, you can see we have it to this limit. Now what you can do here is you can now resize this to get to the last end, to the same level. Okay, so I just start here. Thanks for subscribing. Okay, so you have this there. Now so you can see when you check here, you can see we have the whole time being set up. So from 0 up to 4 seconds. It's going to pop out from this up to that, and that 4 seconds to this, 4 seconds to that, 4 seconds to that. So it's 4 seconds each. And as I said earlier on, you can now increase the time here from 3.5 seconds to up to 7 seconds. Now when you click on this settings, you're going to see how to split current caption or how to actually extend the duration as well. Alright, so as I have this, now when I click on this side, the caption window will disappear. If you want to bring it back, just click on that, then you're going to just bring it back. Now when you check this, you can start. Now let's start with the playing. Now you can just set, so this is the first one, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and you're going to play between the time that you've actually set. Now let's click on play, and let's see what happens. So you see that it is playing within the range of 4 seconds here. And let's press on this. So next caption. So this is going to play. The next one is going to just pop up. The next one is going to pop up as well. Alright, so here now let's talk about how do you extend the duration. So you see that the current duration here is 4 seconds, and that's the maximum for 4 seconds. Now if you want to actually set up the more than 4 seconds, what are you going to do? Now it is so simple. So just click on this settings here and click on extend duration. So watch here, this is 3 seconds. Extend duration, it gets to 3.5, then it keeps going, 4.5, 5 seconds. If you want to just bring it back, you can still do what? To just bring it back as well. So that is a way to actually shorten the duration. And also you can just right click on that and go to the properties. Now we'll go to the properties here. Okay, so here, what I have to go here is go to the preferences. So let's see. So that go to file and preferences. So you go to the edit, now you go to your preferences, and that's another way to also increase, just locate where the duration is and go to timing. And now you can actually set the last one transition, then where the caption here is 4 seconds. You can actually increase it to any seconds or amount of time that you actually want. So like click on OK, then you're good to go. So now caption is ready, media is also beneath here. So what I'm going to do here is we click on the empty space here. Now you have it already. So if I start to play, let's see what's going to happen. So I'll just go back here. And now if I start to play, you can see that this is going to just rotate based on the second that been set. And you're going to move from caption 1 to caption 2, 3, 4 to get to the last one. So let's see. That the caption is moving based on the time that you actually set. So it depends on what you want. And that is actually set, and you just set the captions with that amount of time. Now the one thing is here, if you want to actually add 2 captions together. Now when I actually check it, you see we have just one line. Now I can start to just add it. So right click on this one and go to merge previous caption, and you're going to merge the 2 captions previously. Now let's see what's going to happen here. So instead of having 2 separate lines, we're having 2 here. So if I start to play, that's what we have. I have 2 captions on top here. Okay. And when we come to the next one, we have also 2 captions. Now let's see. So we have 1 caption. So we are merging the last 2, so we're going to just merge them together. Now if I start to play this, let's see the sound I'm going to make. So after clicking here and click on the play. You actually add caption to your work as well. So don't forget, you go to more and click on the caption, and each caption has a maximum of 4 seconds. You can actually increase that by clicking on the settings and just go to that is there. Click on the caption and go to increase it, extend the duration or shorten the duration, or click on the file edit and go to preferences and set it as well. Now with this class, as soon as you finish adding the caption, you can add one. If you want to play the specific one, you can use this to actually just rotate from the other one to the next one to get to the whole caption as well. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and now you can actually just play your whole video or audio with a nice caption being set as well. So I'll see you in the next video.